Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macagbo. You're all welcome. My new viewers, my old viewers, you're all welcome. Please consider subscribing if you're new or you've been watching, you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe because there's more coming onto this video. Juicy topic, guys. So there is all about treatment, protein treatment, the already made treatment, and then the fresh treatment. So they can help you to regrow your damaged hair, breakage, and then dry hair, oily hair, dandruff, encourage new hair growth, and then also help with your edges. Yes, this is what this treatment is for, to stop that breakage, that dryness on your hair. Because sometimes when you don't treat your hair for a very long time, your hair end up like this. I am telling you, especially when you are doing low maintenance for your hair. You need at least once a while to do treatment for your hair, so it stop that breakage and that dryness and shedding from your hair. So these are all the treatment you need for fresh protein treatment. As we all know, aloe vera is great for the hair. Yes, aloe vera is great for the hair. Then I'm also going to give you a warning. If aloe vera is not good for your hair, or any of this product I am showing you right now, they're not good for your hair, don't use it. You can supplement it with something else. So you just go with what resonates with your scalp. So this is for the fresh protein treatment hair max. So these are the already made one. This one is the Pantene Keratin Restoration Hair Max for repair damaged hair. And then this one is the hair food. This already treatment, they're so perfect as well for the hair. If you don't have time to make the fresh protein hair max treatment, you can go with these ones. These ones are really good. I will name all the names down below where you can get them and also where you can buy them to maintain your hair at home, guys. So I'll just be sharing with you the how to prepare your fresh protein hair max treatment, but I'm going to start with the aloe vera first. As we all know, for those who already came across the aloe vera, it has lots of benefits for the skin, the hair, the digestive system. It's all great with aloe vera plant. You first wash your aloe vera, then you slice it like this, like peas. This aloe vera, you can use it for pre-poo. Pre-poo is like when after you shampoo your hair, then you give it a deep conditioner with the aloe vera. So this is what I am doing now. You slice, and then after then you extract all the gel, just like what I am doing. Yes, you can also use it to detangle the hair, to do treatment, conditions the hair. You can leave it overnight to do the good magic for your hair. So please, guys, like I said earlier on, if it's dry, it makes your hair dry. Sometimes it makes it dry for a while, then it add more moisture to it later on. So it's all about experimenting what goes with your hair. Once you find what goes with your hair, it's all good to be using all this remedy for your hair. Aloe vera contain enzymes, and these enzymes repair the dead cells on our scalp and then hair follicles and cuticles. It helps with dandruff, reduce dandruff if you use it properly. Yes, that peel, if you go with it onto the scalp after wash, shampoo and conditioner your hair, you go with that very well, you cleanse it. That will help with the aloe vera. It has a lot of benefit, guys, if you use it properly. So you can go ahead and watch other videos. So that's for the pre-poo. If you want to use it pre-poo, if you want to use it to make your hair max treatment, you're gonna need your aloe vera a little bit depending to your hair size. Then with the avocado, it doesn't matter if it's rotten, it's more good. It has more benefit and nutrients for the hair and the scalp. The banana as well, if it's bit soft and rotten, it's all good. It has lot of benefit out of them. So as you can see, this is all you need for your hair max treatment. The honey, the essential oil, you can just use whatever you use for your oil for your scalp. This fresh hair max treatment with the aloe vera, banana, and then aloe vera with honey and oil, essential oil. Yes, this will help reduce dry hair and then stop shedding, damaged hair, breakage. Yes, guys, and even reduce dandruff and itchy scalp and dry hair and scalp. Yes, this will prevent all that. This is what this treatment is for. You can use this at least every 3 months or once a month if you have the time. This is why I showed you earlier on the already made one as well that you can use. It's the same. It's just this fresh one, it's high with nutrients and protein. So this is why when you use this fresh one every 3 months, it helped your hair, it stopped your hair from breaking. And also don't forget, once you finish using this, once you wash it out, you have to shampoo and condition the hair. Then afterwards you go in with a good moisturizer, will lock everything in. Yes guys, so I have other videos if you want to look how I lock in the moisture onto your hair, your natural hair, 4C hair and everything. You can go ahead and then watch more videos. I have few more videos. Go on my playlist, you can see all of them. Yes guys, so as you can see, this is the Pre-poo aloe vera. Aloe vera, it has lots of benefits guys. Try it out. Or if you don't have time to do it, if you're living in Bolton, Manchester, you can come along. We'll be able to help you with your hair and show you some moisturizer cream that will seals all that moisture inside your hair. Yes guys, so please don't forget to subscribe and like. Yes, so this is just treatment to stop all that breakage, damaged hair, dry scalp and everything. This is what this treatment is for, to stop it. Yes, but if you want to know more about other stuff, please go ahead. There is loads of other videos on YouTube that you can watch. I'll try to put more details onto the description below or the comment for you guys to just have a read of everything. Yes, because it's only 7 minutes, I can't cover everything guys. Yes, then also I have other videos as well that how you can use that already treatment for your scalp. Yes, this is how you do it. You just apply it first when your hair is dirty. Then once you apply it, give it a good massage and then you cover it, you steam it guys, like so.